Okay, so now everyone, please take out your GE student book for C and turn to page 18. So we're going to review unit 4. Okay, so everyone please turn to page 18. So now we're on page 18. So we're going to use how many. Okay, so first of all, how many? So how many is used for countable nouns. So how many turtles are there on the stone? So there are 2 turtles on the stone. How many horses are there on the hill? There are 3 horses on the hill. Good. So now we go to number 3. How many sheep are there on the grass? There are 5 sheep on the grass. Now remember, 1 sheep, many sheep. Okay, so remember that. 1 sheep, 20 sheep. Good. Now, 1 child, let me say if you remember, 1 child, 20 children. Okay, remember children, you add en. Because you have many words, they plural different. Okay, so 1 sheep, 20 sheep. 1 child, 20 children. Now, how about this one? 1 mouse, 10 mice. Good, remember 10 mice. Okay, how about this one? 1 man, 10 men. Good, men. So you see, the words can be, the plural nouns can be, for example, sheep is the same. Also, furniture. Furniture and furniture is the same, it's just like sheep. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Man, men. Woman, women. Policeman, policemen. Policewoman, policewomen. Okay, change, the plural change. Okay. Also, we have words like goose, geese, tooth. Okay, tooth, teeth. Okay, so the plural noun, you see sheep. So you can say, okay, children. Okay, the plural noun. So we have to use the plural. Okay, good. So how many? Let's go to number 3. How many people? Oh yes, remember 1 person, 5 people. How many people are there in the park? There are 4 people in the park. How many kids are there in teacher N's class? There are 6 kids in teacher N's class. How many pumpkins are there on the table? There are 6 pumpkins on the table. Now let us go to page 19. Page 19. Good, so now we're on page 19 and 20 now. Good, so now page 19 talks about how much. So remember, how much is used for uncountable nouns and also for price. Okay, good. So number 1, how much juice is in the glass? The glass is full. Or you can see there is no juice in the glass. Sorry, the glass is full. Sorry, if it was empty, you can see there is no juice in the glass. But it's full, you can see the glass is full. That means it's full. Number 2, how much rice is there in the bag? The bag is full. How much ink is there in the bottle? The bottle is half full. How much chalk is there in the box? The box is half full. Good. So you can see, yes, empty. How much coffee is there in the cup? The cup is empty, or you can see there is no coffee in the cup. How much money is there in the purse? The purse is empty. There is no money in the purse. Now let us turn to page 20. So 20, we're going to use price. So how much also is used for price? How much is the bowl of rice? The bowl of rice is $11.99. That is very expensive, okay? How much is the bottle of water? It is 30.88. Or you can say it is $30.88, okay? The same way, it is $11.99. You can say $11.99. It is $30.88, or you can say it is $30.88. How much are the batteries? 3 for $4.50. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them for $4.50. Or you can say 3 for $4.50. Okay. This is very cheap. How much is the pudding? 2 for $3.20. Or you can say 3 puddings for $3.20. That is very cheap. Let's go to number 6. Now we're going to how tall. So how tall is the policewoman? She is 156 centimeters tall. How tall is the Eiffel Tower? It is 324 meters tall. So centimeter is cm, meter m, okay? Good. So now let us turn to page 21. Page 21. Good. Page 21. Page 21. Now we're going to do how frequency. So we use how often. How often does Emma go to the market? She goes to the market once a week. So remember, the verb have to be in the base. Okay? And then we have to use the verb in the present. Good. How often does Sarah brush her teeth? So Sarah brushes her teeth twice a week. How often does Mary go to the beach? She goes to the beach once a month. So remember, twice, 2 times, once is 1 time. Okay? Twice, 2 times, once means 1 time. Good. Now we go to number 4. Number 4. How often do you go to the aquarium? We go to the aquarium once a year. How often do Mr. and Mrs. Lin dine at a restaurant? They dine in a restaurant every 2 weeks, okay? How often does Anna have a music lesson? She has. Have, this, has. She has a music lesson every other week. Now let us turn to page 22. Page 22. So page 22. Read and practice the sentence. So, how much milk is there in the bottle? The bottle is full. How much cereal is there in the bowl? The bowl is empty. Or you can say there is no cereal in the bowl. How much sugar is there in the container? There is no sugar. Or the container is empty. There you okay? The container is empty. How much flour is there in the bag? The bag is empty, or there is no flour in the bag. Now let us go to number 5. Number 5. How much ice is there in the glass? There is no ice, or you can say the glass is empty. How much tea is there in the cup? The cup is full. How much soup is there in the bowl? The bowl is half full. How much jam is there in the jar? The jar is half full. How much is an apple? How much is an apple? $2.50. $2.50. How much are the oranges? 3 oranges, or 3 for $1.50. So 3 oranges for $1.50. How much is a pumpkin? Good. How much is a pumpkin? $4.30, or you can say $4.30. How much are the lemons? 5 for $8.90. So 5 lemons for $8.99. Now let us turn to page 23. Page 23. Good. So page 23, we go to how many sentences can you make? So we have math class, science class, art class, music class, PE or physical education. Remember, PE is physical education, and we have exam. We have exam once a week. And we have exam once a week. My brother has math twice a week. My brother has music twice a day or twice a week. Lily's sister has art twice a week. Or they have science 4 times a week. Or how tall are you? I am 130 centimeters. How old is your father? My father is 67 or 58 years old. How many girls are there in your class? There are 10 girls in my class. How many people are there in your family? There are 10 people in my family. How many classmates are there in your class? There are 15 classmates in my class. Okay, let's go down to... Okay, let's do all of them quickly. How often do you watch TV? I watch TV twice a day. How often do you get your haircut? I get a haircut twice a month. How often do you have PE class? I have PE class once a week. How often do you have final exam? I have final exam once a month. Okay? Or once a week. Or you can say every other week or every 2 weeks. Good. How often do you have music class? I have music class twice a week. How much was your watch? $12.50. So my watch is $12.50. How much are your shoes? My shoes are $200. How much allowance do you have every week? You can just say $300, $500. Okay. So now let's go to the fun. Let's try the sentences. Let's make how many sentences can you make? We go to the museum once a year. Lily's family go to the supermarket 3 times a week or 3 times a month. The boys go to the beach twice a month. The boys go to the national park once a year. Okay, so review our GE4C Unit 4. I'm going to give everyone 1 point for the GE4C Unit 4. Good. Very good.